Hi, I'm Kayla. I'm the founder and creator of Surf Soap. I want to talk to you today about Rehab Balm. So Rehab Balm is our best-selling conditioner. It's good for dry and wet hair and a styling agent in between. Rehab Balm doesn't have any fillers in it, so it's not made of mostly water like most of your leave-in conditioners and regular conditioners, to be honest. It makes use of a lot of these really good vegetable oils and coconut and avocado and herbs like marshmallow. So we put all of that in there to make it a really hard-working balm that you don't need a lot of. And it comes in a really big 5-ounce tin. And what you want to do, so for my hair, I usually take probably about that much. And I actually have some in already today, so I'm not going to put it all through my hair again. But I'm going to take a little bit and just kind of smooth down the little frizzies from curling my hair afterward. You can put it in pre-surf. It is safe for the ocean, so it's not gonna get any nasties in the water there. It's safe, completely safe. And then once you're done, do a freshwater rinse, maybe a cleanse if you need it, and then distribute it from your ends up to mid-shaft. And then if you have wet hair, go ahead and comb it through with a wide tooth comb. And if you're putting it in dry hair, brush it through. So, like I said, dry hair, wet hair, in between. So you can use it as a styler as well. It's an all-over great hair product, and we're so excited to hear that you guys absolutely love it. We've sold out of it twice, and I can't wait to keep selling out of it. Go ahead and head over to the store. We're at surfsoap.com and try it for yourself.